Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Lightroom. First, let's get your photos into the program. Navigate to the File menu and select Import Photos and Video. You can choose specific folders or entire drives. Once imported, your images reside in the Library module, ready for organization. Use collections to group related photos, making it easy to find exactly what you need later. This foundational step is crucial for an efficient workflow. Now, let's dive into the Develop module, where the magic happens. Start with the Basic panel. Drag the exposure slider to fine-tune brightness. A subtle adjustment of plus or minus 0.5 can make a big difference. Increase contrast to give your photos more punch. Then, use the White Balance eyedropper tool to click on a neutral gray area in your photo, ensuring true-to-life colors. These initial adjustments form the backbone of your edit. For more refined edits, explore Lightroom's advanced tools. The adjustment brush allows you to paint specific effects on parts of your image, like brightening a face or darkening a sky. Use the healing brush to effortlessly remove dust spots or small distractions. Simply click and drag over the imperfection. Graduated and radial filters offer powerful ways to enhance landscapes or draw attention to your subject, providing precise control over your creative vision. Finally, let's ensure your hard work is easily accessible and shareable. In the Library module, use star ratings and keywords to categorize your photos, making future searches incredibly fast. When ready to share, go to File and select Export. You can choose file types like JPEG or TIFF, set image dimensions, and even apply watermarks. Whether for web or print, Lightroom provides robust options to present your stunning images to the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.